Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to talk about a small credit union that anyone across the United States can join. They are based in California, but anyone can join this credit union if they become a member of the Financial Fitness Association. They have credit cards and lines of credit that go up to $25,000. Their credit cards do start off at a 0% introductory APR for between 9 to 16 months, depending on which credit card you get. We're also going to talk about the credit bureaus that they pull from in order to approve your application and more. So watch this entire video. And also, if you are looking to fix your credit, or you looking to learn how to remove negative items off of your credit reports and learn how to structure your credit reports for high limited funding, check out our ebook. The link is down in the description. It is only $27. It comes with 3 free bonuses, secret lenders list, 10 credit builder accounts, as well as a letter template, a dispute letter template that you can start disputing negative items with. All right, so we're going to go ahead and review some of the products that they have at this particular credit union. So if you wanted to go ahead and get a checking account, you can do so today. At the time of recording this video, they have a $300 offer for opening up a checking account with them. This is with KeyPoint Credit Union. They have different checking account offers or account types. If you go to checking accounts, you'll see that they have a free checking account that you can get with no monthly fees, and you only need $25 to open that particular checking account. They also have the unlimited checking that is going to be $17 per month if you do not make a minimum direct deposit of $1,000 or make 10 debit purchases within a month. They also have the dividend checking, which allows you to get 0.5% of APY, and then they have the student checking for students 13 to 17. So you can get one of these checking accounts and become a member of the Financial Fitness Association. And then if you come over to the credit cards, we're going to take a look at the credit cards first. Now you can do a soft pull pre-approval. What they're going to do is they're going to look at your Experian credit reports to give you a pre-approval. So they have some great credit card offers here. They have some introductory APRs that go from 0% APR for 9 months all the way up until 16 months that you could possibly get of 0% APR. This is going to, again, depend on your credit. You have to have good credit to get these 0% APR introductory offers. Now with their Visa Platinum Cash Rewards, I believe this goes up to $15,000. You can also get $100 statement credit on the first $500 of purchases made within the first 60 days of receiving the card. And then the Platinum Rewards card, you can also get this one where you get $2,500 in welcome bonus points, but you'll also be able to get up to 16 months of 0% APR on balance transfers. So if you wanted to switch any of your current cards over, you can do that. You can switch those balances over and pay that off quicker without having to pay interest if you like to do a balance transfer. So the way you're going to find out what you qualify for is you're going to actually click right here where it says find out. And what you're going to do is you're going to put in your birthday and your cell phone, and they're going to send you a text message where you click on that link, and they're going to verify that you're actually a real person. And then they're going to take you over to the pre-approval application where they're going to do a soft pull on your Experian credit profile to see which card that you actually qualify for, if you qualify for any of the cards. Now also they have personal loans and lines of credit that go up to $25,000. You can also do a pre-qualification for the loans and the lines of credit as well. Also, you can do your auto loan through KeyPoint Credit Union as well. Right now, they are starting at a 5.24% APR. And we all know this is due to inflation because they're usually a lot lower than this. But another good thing is that you can actually get along with them and not have to pay any payments for up to 90 days. Also, they have a Fresh Start program to where you can get a loan even if you have bad credit. So now with this particular loan, you can only get up to $40,000. And also you would have to put a minimum of 10% down if you have between a 550 and a 639 FICO. If your score is less than a 550, they're going to ask that you put 15% down, and you're also going to have to show proof of income. And they also won't allow you to go more than 66 months on the loan. Now, also they have credit builder accounts. So the first one is the credit mender. So you can get a loan between $500 and $2,500. Once you are approved, they'll provide you with a secured loan with a rate at 3.99% with repayment terms up to 36 months. So this is pretty much a secured loan, but it has a low interest rate, which is not bad. They also have the credit starter loan. Now this is for people who are just starting to build credit, not, rebuilding credit, but this one is for if you have no credit history whatsoever and you're trying to start building credit. You can get a $500 secured loan at 0% APR up to 24 months in repayment terms. So as you can see, KeyPoint Credit Union has a lot of different great loan products as well as lines of credit. You can refinance your student loans. You can start building credit. You can start rebuilding your credit. Also, you can refinance your home loan as well as get a home equity line of credit or loan. And then they also have business loans as well. So you can actually get vehicle loans as well as SBA loans, unsecured term loans, express or SBA express loans, and then commercial real estate loans, and also investment real estate loans. But for most of these, you're going to either have to call them to apply, or you can send an online request. So in my opinion, KeyPoint Credit Union is a really great credit union. They have a lot of great products. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.